Hi everyone, this is Pranvi of class 9 before you to speak about the search for extraterrestrial life. The search for extraterrestrial life has been a topic of fascination to the scientists and public alike for many years. In this presentation of mine, I will discuss about the methods used to detect for the science of life and evidences found regarding alien life beyond Earth. Firstly, have you ever wondered why do we look for life only on Mars? The reason is we have 8 planets in our solar system, out of which 4 do not have a solid ground. These 4 gaseous planets have no probability of being habitable. The other 3 planets excluding Earth are Mercury, Venus and Mars. Starting with Mercury, it is too close to the Sun, 245.8 million kilometers, whose radiation can kill birth of any microorganism, and it lacks atmosphere, so it is definitely out of the race. Then, Venus, being the second planet, is hotter than Mercury. The reason for its intense heat is the abundance of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This traps the heat in, making the atmosphere way too hot even to think of being habitable. Some other reasons are high pressure exerted by Venus and it rains sulfuric acid, making this too an uninhabitable planet. Finally, Mars. It has less temperature compared to Mercury and Venus. Some studies say that there might be ice buried underneath the surface, which is an indicator of life or microorganisms. The pressure by Mars won't crush you, and gravity, although weaker than the Earth, is still manageable. Though it still has flaws like having less dense atmosphere and less magnetic field, it still has a better chance of habitation compared to other planets in our solar system. Now, let's talk about some evidence of alien life on Mars. Vikings. These Viking landers from NASA detected chemical signatures of life in 1976. They took the first high-resolution images of the planet. They surveyed the geographical features and analyzed the geological composition of surface and atmosphere, and most importantly, the Martian soil. These Vikings had 2 mechanical hands which collected the soil and stored them in the walls. The labeled release experiment studied on this Martian soil and stated that it tested positive for metabolism, a sign that would certainly indicate the presence of life. Next is Martian fossils. These Martian fossils are discovered from a meteorite ALH 84001 from Antarctica. This meteorite was probably blasted off from a collision on the surface of Mars and wandered the solar system for some 15 million years estimated. NASA scientists controversially announced that they had found fossilized microbes in this potato-shaped lump of rock. NASA researchers have also claimed to have spotted signs of nanobacteria in this Martian rock. Now let's discover not only on Mars, but our scientists have also discovered some evidence of life on other various celestial bodies. The first is Europa. It is one of the moons orbiting Jupiter. It could possibly have the 2 essential ingredients needed for life, water and energy. The best evidence that there is an ocean on Europa's surface was gathered by NASA's Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter. Energy. The Europa surface is blasted by radiation from Jupiter. This radiation may create fuel for life in the ocean below the surface. This radiation may split apart the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen molecules floats away and the oxygen stays behind. This oxygen is very reactive element and could possibly provide chemical energy for microbial life. Next is Kepler 452b. This world, whose discovery was announced in 2015, is the first near-Earth-sized planet who, according to NASA, Kepler 452b is 60% larger than our Earth and its parent star, Kepler 452, is 10% larger than our Sun. Kepler 452b resides 1400 light years away from Earth. At 1.6 times the size of Earth, Kepler 452b has even better chance of habitation than Earth. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing and fascinating. Though we don't have conclusive proof, the discovery of exoplanets and detection of organic molecules in the atmosphere are promising. As we improve our technology, the discovery may improve a lot, and we'll discover many exciting new things and continue our search. Thank you.